If you've ever tried hosting a backyard cookout on a tiny grill that barely fits 6 burgers at once, you already know how frustrating outdoor cooking can get. Uneven heat, cramped cooking space, weak burners. Suddenly grilling feels more stressful than relaxing. The Kenmore 3-burner propane barbecue grill is designed to fix exactly that problem by giving you enough cooking space for family dinners and weekend gatherings without taking over your entire patio. But after spending real-time cooking on it, there are definitely a few things worth talking about before you buy. So this is the Kenmore 3-burner propane gas grill, and it's really aimed at casual backyard grillers, apartment patio setups, small families, and anyone who wants a practical propane grill that's easy to use without spending premium money. It's not trying to be a giant luxury outdoor kitchen. Instead, it focuses on delivering a straightforward grilling experience with enough power and cooking space for normal use. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing I noticed is how compact the overall design feels compared to a lot of oversized gas grills in this category. Even with the side tables extended, it doesn't completely dominate your outdoor space. And the foldable side shelves are honestly one of the smartest features here because they make storage much easier, especially if you're working with a smaller patio, balcony, or garage setup. Fold them down, and the whole grill becomes surprisingly manageable. Visually, it keeps things simple with a clean black finish that looks modern without trying too hard. The build quality feels decent for the price range. It's not ultra-heavy commercial-grade steel, but it also doesn't feel flimsy or unstable. The cast iron cooking grates are probably the standout feature because they retain heat well and create better searing than the thinner wire grates you find on cheaper grills. That translates directly into better burgers, chicken, steaks, and vegetables with more even cooking across the surface. The cooking space itself feels ideal for most people. You can realistically cook for 4 to 6 people without struggling for room, and being able to fit around 20 burgers at once is genuinely useful for cookouts or game day grilling. The warming rack also ends up being more practical than expected. It's great for keeping buns warm, moving finished food aside, or slowing down cooking without burning anything. In real-world use, the grill feels very beginner-friendly. The one-button ignition starts quickly without the annoying repeated clicking some cheaper grills struggle with. Heat-up time is solid, and once the burners get going, the grill maintains fairly consistent temperatures for everyday cooking. The built-in lid thermometer is another simple but useful feature because it gives you a rough idea of where your heat levels are without constantly opening the lid and losing temperature. One thing people will definitely appreciate is how easy this grill is to move around. The 4 caster wheels make repositioning surprisingly simple, and the locking wheels help keep everything stable once you've got it where you want. If you regularly move your grill around the patio or store it away after cooking, this becomes a bigger advantage than you might expect. Now, to keep things honest, there are a few compromises. Because it's designed to stay compact and affordable, heat retention isn't on the same level as more expensive premium grills with thicker steel bodies. On windy days, you may notice temperature fluctuations more than you would on higher-end models. And while the grill performs well for standard burgers, hot dogs, chicken, and steaks, serious barbecue enthusiasts looking for advanced multi-zone cooking or heavy-duty searing power may eventually want something larger and more specialized. Compared to other propane grills in this price range, though, the Kenmore does a really solid job balancing cooking space, portability, and convenience. Some cheaper grills feel underpowered or cheaply assembled, while larger premium models quickly become overkill for smaller households. This one lands in a sweet spot where it's practical enough for regular use without becoming complicated or overwhelming. Overall, the Kenmore 3-burner propane grill feels like a smart option for people who want reliable backyard grilling without spending a fortune or sacrificing too much patio space. It's easy to use, easy to store, and handles everyday grilling surprisingly well for the price. If you've been looking for a compact gas grill that can still handle family cookouts and weekend barbecue sessions, this is definitely worth checking out. The link is down in the description if you want current pricing and customer reviews. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.